try to connect, and this is the host, and this is the charger for battery. This is the host, this is for the microphone and headphones. Looks same. That is for charger. Then let's try this one. See that? Here to the host. Let's see if it's gonna work. This microphone is affordable. You can check my video description below, and I have a link for a price check. Now it is connected. Let's see if it is connected, this device, to this DJI RC. Turn it on. Let's see if it is connected. So you can see the icon, headphone icon, means to say it's connected over here. This microphone, if I have to do the here, once you press the screen record, it should be my voice coming in to this RC. It should be my voice coming in to this RC. Hello, mic test. Testing. This is test. Test for okay. The part. Bypass. Actually, for travel, I chose this one. Easy to set up, and then this one's a lot of things to set up, because about this microphone for the iPhone, it takes me time to set up, but I like this one for my DSLR. It's good. This one is good. Just add on this one for iPhone. So easy for the iPhone. Put this one, the adapter for C-type front, omnidirectional, or other side. Easy. Hey baby. Hi. It's this thing without microphone. This is test with microphone. What did that? Micah, hi.